we're at the farm. And we're in the backfield and it is cold as hell. Here's the, oh my god, it's freaking cold. There's the scoop mobile. There's GMC here. We're gonna try a cold start this here. This girl right here. Yep. She's a beaut right here. Alright. Get her a cold start.
Fuck.
Aluminum rims here.
Fucking all out of Winston.
Shit! Cigarettes, god damn it. Got the heat on?
Someone left the key on.
No.
Fucking asshole. Let the fucking key on. Fucking jerk.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, don't drive around. Don't drive away. Don't leave me here. Don't leave me here. Don't drive me away. Don't drive away without me. Don't drive away. Oh shit, he's got the motor oil. Crazy Betsy just threw fucking motor oil at me. I'm gonna kick you in the ass. Fuck you, asshole.
Let's go start this fucking thing.